Hey everybody, I'm going to do a garden update. It's been a long time since I've done a garden update, and that's mainly because I haven't had much going on in the garden, but I'm getting going again on that. This area right here, with all this black plastic on it, we're going to take that off tomorrow, and this is where we're going to plant corn. I'm going to plant about 600 seeds of corn along here. It'll be a bed along here and a bed along here, and then one along here, all the way to the other end there. Been busy with the pigs, and we're going to go over and see the pigs in a bit. And I've also been busy building garden gates and fencing in the garden area to keep the chickens out and to keep rabbits out too as well. So this whole area, we'll lift this tarp. It had vetch on it, this cover crop here, vetch with the nice purple flowers. You can see some right here too as well. And that returns a lot of nitrogen to the soil. You're supposed to terminate it though before the flowers bloom, because that pulls out a lot of nitrogen. But it's such a nice flower, I just let it go and take the bit of a hit to the nitrogen. And Sarah's working hard on her garden area over here. And the chickens are enjoying this. She pulled out a lot of the vetch that was here and some other dead flowers and veggies that were done. And the chickens are giving it a go, looking for all kinds of little bugs. Puff just got a little insect there. So here's the garden gate I hung just yesterday. So this will be the start in here of the garden area. Yeah, I'm fencing it, as I said, to keep the chickens out when we want them out and to keep the rabbits out. But also to keep animals in. Like if we were to let the pigs come graze in here, or next year I hope to have some Dorper sheep. We let the sheep graze in there, then yeah, we could keep them contained. And here's the chicken pasture. That's their chicken coop. In about 10 minutes they'll be heading over there as it gets dark. They return to the roosts. And this is the pig pasture with some mallow trees growing there. Those are native to the San Diego area, and they just came up on their own. All right, let's go see the pigs. Fed them about 20 minutes ago, so they're done with their meal for the day. I give them organic pig feed, which consists of organic wheat, barley, and peas. And then I give them a bunch of alfalfa pellets too. They get about 2 pounds of organic feed and 4 pounds of alfalfa pellets each day. So this is the girl pig. She's about 200 pounds now. And that's the boy pig. He's about 160. They're getting big. They're very friendly. Still really friendly, which is neat. It's a neat feature of the Kune Kune breed. You can see here they got a nice mud bog going on. I put these watering dishes here that they can dump out when they want to during the day. They like playing in water, with water, so they could dump those out and refill their mud bog. And then here's their house that you've seen in other videos where they sleep at night. So that's an update on what we have going on in the garden area, update on the pigs and the chickens, and just get a shot of the Tangela tree here. This Tangela tree has so many nice tangelas on it, and they're so tasty. So we do have, yeah, a fair amount of fruit coming off of the orchard trees, and primarily the Tangela tree right now. All right, that'll do it.